Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I'm going to start with the American markets. Well, with the news with the Iranian war, which is caused by the America, it seems like it's been resolving with these treaties have been just been combined together in the Pakistan, also the Iran and the America just been working with each other, and seems like the draft agreement is going to be maybe I think made a deal with it. They are going to make a deal with it. Also, the market is just been pricing this. That's the reason the 0.3 price month upside, as you can see in the S&P 500, and within the 3 days it just been gone up like 2% and 1.5%. So the faith in the war is just not been dead in the markets at the moment. So this is good, but I think the American market will be so stable in these levels, my opinion, because there's a hype in the American market at the moment, and within the hype they just want to be just get rid of the small investors, and I think they are going to be the big money owners are going to be just be big people who bought the American market, for example, from here to get bored. Their main job is, I think, to get them bored and make the sell for the S&P 500. My view for it. Also with the gold, if the peace treaty is probably fulfilled and comes with a success, the inflation threat will be going on, and the markets will be just turned to the bonds and other stuff. Inflation thing is not going to be happen. The American Fed, American Reserve Bank, and the Fed seems like going to be the fulfill with its 2% inflation level. So that's the reason the gold is holding at the moment for the markets. And it seems like it's going to be break the 4,500 level. The gold's first goal is going to be the 4,310 level with the Fibonacci level, but I think it's going to be go and hit this price increasement trend line since the October 2023. I think it's going to be hit over there. Also with silver with the same thing goes with the silver too, with the gold. Also the interesting stuff is the Bitcoin is with the same stuff with the gold, because the inflation concerns are going to be end if the agreement with the United States and Iran will be fulfilled, and that's the reason people are selling their Bitcoins for the moment, because the inflation concerns are ending. Also with XMR is going down because it's sometimes follows the Bitcoin and sometimes don't. It's going for its own. I think the Monero at the moment it's following it, but if you look at its price level, which is compared to the Bitcoin, if you look at the flash crash which is Bitcoin, which is in the 8th of October 2025. Also, if you look at XMR with the 8th of October 2025, it was 345, and at the moment it's 385. So when the bearish trend is going to be end in the Bitcoin, I believe the Monero will be just going to be hit and break its all-time high and made its way for the 2,500 level, which is my goal in the Monero for the later on. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.